Delicious apple coffee cake with brown sugar sauce recipe, easy homemade dessert. Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we've got a treat for your taste buds. We're making a scrumptious apple coffee cake with a heavenly brown sugar sauce. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, let's dive right into it. Ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, freshly grated for extra flavor, 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 cups of peeled and diced apples, use your favorite variety. For the brown sugar sauce, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, a pinch of salt. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Step 2. Combine dry ingredients in a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Set it aside for now. Step 3. Cream the butter and sugars in a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Step 4. Add eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then add the vanilla extract. Mix well. Step 5. Alternate dry ingredients and sour cream. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream. Mix until just combined. Step 6. Fold in apples. Gently fold in the diced apples until evenly distributed in the batter. Step 7. Bake. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish and spread it out evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 40-45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 8. Prepare brown sugar sauce. While the cake is baking, let's prepare the irresistible brown sugar sauce. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Add brown sugar, heavy cream, and a pinch of salt. Stir continuously until the sugar is dissolved and the sauce is smooth. Remove from heat. Step 9. Final touch. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it cool for a bit. Drizzle the warm brown sugar sauce over the top. It's like magic happening right there. And there you have it, our mouthwatering apple coffee cake with brown sugar sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more deliciousness, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a treat. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.